Turbo Trading with head trader Robert Knight, MBA.
This is a talk on the ABCD pattern and how to trade it. A member asked me a question. You have a long wick up and then the next candle's red, 70% of the time it sells off. So do you have any, what's the statistics on the ABCD pattern? And if you're going to hold it over 350 in this case, a high of day, why wouldn't you add to it to trade it to 450? And those are all, those are very valid points, obviously. So is it going to go higher when it gets to 350 in the ABCD pattern? We don't know that for sure. But let me just say this about that. The thing about patterns, and we can see it here, you get this big long wick up, sells off, next candle's red, you got to get out of the trade. It doesn't say how far it's going to go down, you just know that it is. The patterns that we trade are 70% accurate, but they're a self-fulfilling prophecy. So we're not the only ones that maybe see this as an ABCD pattern. Here's your A, here's your B, got up to the high of day, and here's your C. You accumulate in here with a view that when it gets to the 350, you sell half your position and then let the rest ride. So if everybody believes, if everybody believes that this is an ABCD pattern and that at 350 everybody's going to sell half their position, then there's going to be a lot of overhead resistance at that level. And that's why you have resistance, because everybody believes that it's as high as it's going to go, and therefore you need to sell off your position, or at least half. Because everybody's going to say, okay, at high day we're going to sell half of our position. And so then it becomes the self-fulfilling prophecy. So statistically, 70% of the time the chart patterns work. So it doesn't matter what the chart pattern is. It's whether it's an ABCD or reverse head and shoulders, double top, double bottom. All those, generally you get 70% of the time it's going to work for you. So those are good odds that the chart's going to work. So it's good odds that when this gets to 350, people are going to sell half their positions, or they're going to sell it all with a view of maybe buying it back if it pulls back. It's in this grinding rising channel here. So if you're looking to buy this, you buy it at the 3, try and get it at under 315. Stop it now probably, under 305 or here even 290. And then when it gets to 350, you sell half and then let the rest ride. Now, if it popped through 350 and then pulled back and held support, then you could add, because then that's a different pattern. That's a breakout and then retest. And so on the retest you could buy. But generally, if it breaks out through the 350, you're not looking to add. You're looking to scale out as it goes 375, 385, 4, 4.25. But if it pops and then pulls back and holds the support at 350, then you could look to add to your position, or re-enter it if you took it at if you sold it at 350, pops through, pulls back, holds the support, and then buy it there.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Reach new levels of trading proficiency. Become a member at turbotrading.biz.